Hi, I'm Elise Mercader from BSMT1F, and for today's video, we are going to tackle about my immersion experience at Barangay San Juan Nepomuceno, Betis, Pampanga, and I am here today as an advocate for education and healthcare. So last March, we went to Barangay San Juan Nepomuceno, Betis, Pampanga to conduct an immersion. So we asked some questions such as kung ano yung mga needs pa ng barangay health center nila, prevalent diseases, and what are the needs na hindi nami-meet ng barangay health center nila. So, one of the problems that we discovered sa barangay nila is the lack in community awareness, specifically educational campaigns. So, we all know naman how educational campaigns can be helpful for everyone since not all naman educated sa mga possible causes, how to prevent diseases, and what are the possible outcomes, and many more. Also, hindi naman lahat capable na makapagpa-check up due to poverty. So, ang tendency na nangyayari is hindi na nila minamind yung sakit nila which can spread sa iba't ibang tao sa community. Before conducting the survey, I may have assumed that there were adequate educational initiatives there since the Barangay Health Center is performing well naman daw. They even have midwives, nurses, and many healthcare professionals. However, during the survey, I remained open-minded and receptive to all the responses, which allowed me to gain a clearer understanding about their situation. And that's how I came to understand that they are lacking in educational campaigns. The survey revealed some significant findings such as yung cases ng drug abuse sa kanila, and yun nga yung they are lacking in educational campaigns. So, kulang talaga sila sa awareness, such as yung mga possible outcomes ng pag-use ng drugs, and also yung mga preventions na pwedeng gawin para maiwasan yung pag-depend sa drugs. And I think most of the people sa community nila are not even aware na merong mga pwedeng services na i-offer yung barangay health center sa kanila. So these findings challenged my initial expectations as I hadn't fully realized kung ano yung mga possible outcomes pala of having lack of community awareness. As a future healthcare provider, this experience reaffirms my commitment to addressing community needs. I've come to realize that it's not enough to provide medical treatments, but it is also important to prioritize health education. Moving forward, I'm dedicated to collaborating with local leaders and organizations to develop and implement impactful educational campaigns that will empower our community to lead healthier lives. Anyways, that would be all. Always remember that awareness today, wellness tomorrow. Thank you!